How does JSON enable real-time data streaming with WebSockets? Imagine chatting with a friend or watching a live sports score update without refreshing your page. That's what real-time data streaming is all about. Now, how do web apps make this happen so smoothly? The secret lies in combining two powerful tools, JSON and WebSockets. WebSockets are a protocol that creates a constant open line of communication between your browser and a server. Unlike traditional websites that ask for data and wait for a response, WebSockets keep the connection alive. This means the server can send data whenever it has new information, instantly. It's perfect for live chat, stock updates, or multiplayer games where every second counts. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a simple way to format data. It looks like plain text but is structured in a way that computers and humans can understand easily. In JavaScript, you can turn objects into JSON strings using JSON stringify, and turn JSON strings back into objects with JSON parse. This makes sharing data simple and quick. When you connect a WebSocket, your app and the server can send messages back and forth. These messages are often JSON strings. For example, a chat message might be a JSON object with the sender's name, message content, and timestamp. The client sends this as a JSON string over the WebSocket. The server receives it, processes it, and then pushes it out to everyone else as another JSON string. When each client gets this data, they use JSON parse to turn it into a JavaScript object, then update the web page instantly. From a developer's point of view, this process is straightforward. You create a WebSocket object in your code, set up event listeners for incoming messages, and use JSON parse to understand what you received. When you want to send data, you create a JavaScript object, turn it into a JSON string with JSON stringify, and send it through the WebSockets send method. This setup is efficient because JSON is lightweight and easy to work with in JavaScript. It's flexible too. You can organize your data however you want, and both the server and client understand it without complicated code. Since WebSockets keep the connection open, there's no delay from opening new connections or waiting for responses. Data flows instantly whenever it's available. In real-world applications, this pattern powers live dashboards, multiplayer games, collaborative tools, and more. It allows users to see updates as they happen, making web experiences more interactive and engaging. The combination of WebSockets for instant communication and JSON for structured data exchange is a core part of modern web development. So, to sum it up, you establish a WebSocket connection, send and receive JSON strings, parse incoming JSON into usable data, and update your app in real time. This method is reliable, fast, and simple for JavaScript developers to implement. Mastering it opens the door to building dynamic, real-time web applications that users love to interact with.